So we have a quick guide how to activate the diagnostic test here. Just a quick test that just go through the all the components, like all the valves and spin cycle, drain cycle. The reason that we need it, it's because we did replace the whole soap dispenser here, and instead testing at different cycles, fill drain, to make sure all the valves are working. We're just running through the diagnostic quick cycle and making sure that everything works. And this is the model number, just few years old. Overall, this test is not working on all the Samsung machines, mostly all the newers or the ones that have this type of display. You just need to activate the machine, turn it on, and go to the delay to 17 hours. When you choose this option, press start and just wait. Yeah, and then you see AS, and you just press start, and here it is. This is the quick cycle. It's gonna show you all the stages by numbers. The final stage is number 8. This is where it goes into the spin cycle. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to run it through. You can hear the water running, but this is an easy way to check the machine if you don't want to wait for certain. And this is, you see, it shows you the hot water, cold water valve. It just runs through all of them and then drains it and spin. Yeah, this is just a short video just to show you how to run a quick diagnostic cycle on those machines.